everyone, you caught me on a really good but maybe not so good day because I was just traveling and have come down with a little bit of a cold. When I started going zero waste, I actually got really into natural ingredients and natural medicine, and I found this really amazing cold remedy that I've been doing for years that helps to, one, prevent colds, but two, to cut down the duration of colds if you actually have them. So I'm gonna make it with you today. To start, all I do is start with a base of apple cider vinegar. Next, we'll add some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. These are the kind of natural ingredients that you can feel right away. Like, you put ginger or garlic in your mouth and you're like, oh damn, this is working. Next, I'll add some cayenne pepper. I'll add some lemon juice. Next, I'll add just a light tablespoon of honey, and I'll keep it in there and it'll keep dissolving as I add the rest of my ingredients. And I'll add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, maybe two if you're feeling spunky. My final two ingredients are echinacea. I just add a few drops of echinacea. And then oil of oregano. Oil of oregano is like, I don't even know how I wasn't using this before I started going zero waste. So once I do that, I've added all my ingredients. I mix them up. Finally, the last step that I do is just add some warm water. So I've added in all my ingredients. I just give it one last final stir. It's an amazing, effective, affordable, chemical-free, synthetic ingredient-free cold remedy that really kicks any cold's ass so quickly. You can use it all year long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait for you to watch more of my videos, and if you have a cold, feel better soon.